Okay, so I'm back at it again. This is my coding explanation. First, this is the first assignment. Package assignments, of course, because it's in the assignments folder. The public class, public static int, and then number of days in the month, because that's what I'm putting out here. And this is I just put it down in comments, so it's just easier. This is where I check every month and enter how many days there are or whatever's corresponding with it. So 1 would be January, 2 would be February, and for February I just put 28, and then 3 would be March, and then you just know the rest. I don't have to go in detail of that. And then it just shows me between the months 3 and 8 because that's what I was asked for in the assignments thing, March through August. And then I'll come out with a number of days. I already have a run right here, but I'll just run it again, show you it works. There we go. 31, 30, 31, 30, 31, 30. Yeah, so that's the first one. And then we go to the second one. It's glitching. There we go. Package assignments. And then, of course, again, an assignments thing. Import Java utility scanner. I need the scanner again because I need input from the user or the secretary at the desk. And then assignment 5, question 2. I'm just using this to get the severity. That's what I called it, severity, because it seems like you're gonna have COVID. It's either mild, moderate, or severe. It's nothing. There wasn't a thing where it was like maybe you don't have it, but these are just the strings. String 1, 2, and 3, mild, moderate, severe. The moderate fever, and then of course the fever above. So this is just the middle one, and then this is severe. Just the explanations that they gave us. And then this is where I check for each classification if they fit into what I'm asking for. So these. So if it's the first one, it'll give out this. If it's not the first one, it'll check for this, the moderate, and if it's not that, I'll give out the severe. And then if it's not any of these, so even if they like forgot a period, it'll just give me a null at the end. Or something I added in, it was a ignore casing, so it doesn't have to. I could do like capital MOD, and then this could all be lowercase. Yeah, okay. So everything else could just be lowercase and still be fine, and I'll run. Just that's what the ignore case is. But yeah, I'll just run it and you'll see it. And then this is where I had to create the scanner input because I needed the input, of course. Enter the symptoms, and then I'll just copy and paste to show that. And then the COVID severity, as I put right there. And then this will always just come out at the end, so they can confirm what they have, and then that it just closes after that, the input. And then this will have the YouTube video, but let me just run it. Enter the symptoms. I'll just do mild, and then make sure you have the period, because if you don't, it'll come back as a null. And then yep. So mild, and please take confirmatory. I guess I can't speak. Confirmatory blood test, and yeah, and I'll just come up with every single one. So let me just. Oh yeah, let me show the if you don't have the period, just null. It won't come up, and then show you one more time for that. This will always come up if you have a valid symptom thing. But yeah, and then of course I'll just put the YouTube video here, and that should be it. Hope I didn't miss anything, and have a good evening, day, or whatever it is. See ya.